down this small corridor on the third deck behind the front atrium, we have cabin number 3031 on Navigator of the Seas. It is an inside cabin. Let's take a look. The first thing you'll notice is this is one of the updated stateroom lighting situation. You do need to keep a card, some kind of credit card, or the provided random Royal Caribbean card in there for the lights to function. Continuing on, we do have a spacious closet, plenty of room for luggage, and of course your life preservers are above. On your left, beside the door, you have a couple hooks, as well as the typical interior cabin bathroom. There's no storage behind any mirrors, but they do have this series of cupboards and a small cabinet over on the side. You'll see that this cabin has a full floor-to-ceiling mirror, which is nice. And then we have kind of a love seat in the sitting area. And the bed is pushed together as a Royal King configuration. Phone is in the corner, a couple lights on each side. You'll notice up here I do have my magnetic hooks. Those hold approximately 100 pounds each. Your TV, I always bring a small fan, can pack into my carry-on luggage. There are two plug-ins. I use this cruise approved plug adapter to expand the number of plugs I can use. We have a mirror. There are 3 shelves inside of that cabinet, and a safe in that small cabinet, and a cooler in the lower cabinet, along with the desk and 3 drawers. That's it for cabin number 3031 on Navigator of the Seas. Thanks for watching.